Welcome, my learners. Day one. In today's episode, we are going to be learning few sentences you can use in Nigerian markets, or if you see yourself in any Igbo market and you want to be able to communicate without being cheated or without being extorted because you can't speak Igbo. So with these few sentences, you are good whenever you find yourself in any Igbo markets. So this is going to help you with anything you want to get in the markets. So let's get to it. So if you get see yourself in the market, you walk into any Igbo market, locate what you want to buy, and when you get there, normally they will ask you to come and patronize me. So you'll be hearing Nnebia kam resigi, meaning means come, let me sell to you. Nnebia kam resigi. Bia means come, let me sell to you. Then you answer, Iga eresim, Iga eresikwam ofuma, will you sell well to me? Meaning, are you going to sell at affordable price? So ask this question to be sure the person will sell to you well, and the person will know, okay, you can speak Igbo, I can't cheat this person. So say, Iga eresikwamu ofuma. Iga eresikwamu ofuma. Then when the person say yes or ofuma, then you ask, ego ole ka ị na-ere, which is how much are you selling? Ego ole ka ị na-ere? Ego ole ka ị na-ere? Ego means money. Ole means how much. Ka ị na-ere, selling. How much are you selling? And the seller will tell you, where ya, take it for 1,000. In Nigeria, we normally mix Igbo and English. So you will not hear them say, take it puku naira. They will always say, take it for 1,000, 2,000, 3,000. You already know the thousands. So you hear, where ya, on ya. So if the price is okay with you, you can go ahead and pay. But if it's not okay with you, you will say, all the okono, which is, it is expensive. All the okono. Mainly, sellers will always argue with you, oh no, it's not expensive. Mbao, all the okono. Or, ngwa, ego ole ka ị ga-akwụ, which is, how much will you pay? Ngwa, ego ole ka ị ga-akwụ, which means how much will you pay? Okay, how much will you pay? So if it's expensive, don't forget to say ọ dị oke ọnụ. You can add no, mba, ọ dị oke ọnụ. Then the seller will ask you how much you can pay. Then you can say ka m nye gị 1,000 or ka m nye gị 500 naira or ka m nye gị 2,000, which means let me pay this amount. This is what I can afford. Ka m nye gị. Nye means to give. Gi is a pronoun for you. Come, let me give you so amount. And the seller can tell you, Ojiroma, it is not good. Mana weteya, but bring it. Mana means but bring it. Or they will say, no, Ojiroma, add equal something, like add something. Or tinyekwo ebere, add small something. But if the seller asks you, okay, weteya, you just be polite and say daalụ, meaning thank you. Biko kechie ya ka ngawa, meaning please tie it, let me go. All the more so I'm in a haste. That if you are in a haste. If you're not, you can just say daalụ, kechie ya. The seller will tie it for you. And the seller might reply you, nsogbu adịrọ, no problem. Biko biakwa ọzọ, they will always say this. Please come back again. Because the seller wants you to keep on patronizing them, so they will always say, Biko biakwa ọzọ. So whenever you hear Biko biakwa ọzọ, it means please come back again. So always say, oh, Adima, I will come back again, or Adima ma biakwa ọzọ. So here she said, Nga ọzọ, called, which is, I will come again, good, see you. Called is see you, but most time we use it for goodbye. So called, and the seller will tell you, called, ezigbo onye ahịa, meaning my good customer. So once you have bought something once from a seller, you have turned to their customer, a very good one at that matter. So you have already done buying something here. So it's a successful purchase. And with this, nobody can cheat you in any Igbo market. So I hope you've learned how to buy something in Igbo markets. So thank you for watching. If you love this video, if it's very helpful to you, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Kodino. Dalo.